So we applied for the Bright Green Future Grant because teachers wanted for students to use less disposable water bottles. They wanted to have some way to make students want to drink more water. We have water fountains that exist that are old, and the water is not popular with students. They don't want to drink it. It tastes what they say is gross.
It was kind of rough. It was some days it'd be kind of yucky.
So we got $2,500 to use towards buying 4 retrofitted water filling stations and 7 filters.
It tastes a lot better. I know a lot of kids complain about the old water fountains with the new ones that they just added. It's a lot better.
I hope it creates a change in their perspective, how they can actually recycle and reuse their water bottles instead of just buying a new one from a vending machine every day, and gets them to drink more water as well. Less soda, less chocolate milk, things like that.
The city of Austin is trying to be like all green by the year 2020. So we're trying to make a small step forward to that in our school by just trying to start using like reusable water bottles.
The Bright Green Future Grant from the City of Austin is a very important grant for us here at Crockett High School. When our school district is stressed for money or a school is cutting back on budgets, this gives us a chance to pay for projects that might be a wish list item for a school.